Well, hello, all my fluid art friends. It's Doris at DF Designs. Welcome to my channel. I'll put a link up there for the live where I made this. This was a Christmas tree that I made. And now I'm drilling holes for the lights. And it's going to be a short video because I'll fast forward through some of it after I explain it to you. And then, because I'm still not sure how I'm going to put the lights on. I got a set of lights out of the Christmas department at Walmart, $3. Let me see. Can you see the bulbs? Well, let me get the one that's not in the box. Whoops. Focus. There we go. And while I'm working on it, I want to explain something to you. First off, this is Christmas Eve, so let me say Merry Christmas, everybody. And let me tell you that this is now my 2-year anniversary for my very first video of art on YouTube. So I'm going to be doing a little giveaway. Below this video, and I'm going to put it across the bottom too, but below this video, I want you to comment down below. It's nice if you're a subscriber, and it's nice if you give this video a like. But just comment something below the video, and I'm thinking I'm going to give it about a week, which means, well, maybe a little over a week. I'm going to be giving away a piece of art. I can pay the shipping in the United States, and I can't pay for it overseas. So I can ship it international, but I do not know how much it's going to cost, because this is a pretty big piece. I'm going to cut in right here real quick with a little short video of the piece that I'm giving away. So, now that you've seen what I'm giving away, I'm going to get back to doing this. Just comment below this video, and I will do a YouTube comment picker video on either the 31st or the 1st. Because everybody probably has plans on the 31st, so I'll probably do it on guys, this wasn't an easy thing to do. First off, you can see, let me see if I can get it up close enough. You can see where it chipped the resin as I was making a hole, okay? And these bulbs are longer on the back, so, and I didn't want to make it permanent. So what I did was, I didn't tape it because it's like a piss poor half-ass job, excuse my language, but I just put tape around each of the bulbs backs to get it to stay there, and then I taped down all the wires as best I could. So let me light her up so y'all can see. Wait a minute, let me bring it down. There we go. Those are red lights. It's probably not, no, it's not going to show up as red, but those are red lights. And because this has got, it's so thick on the back, what I decided to do was to get a little stand, and it just fits in there. Okay, of course, let me tilt it back so you can see. And the stand just came apart. Okay, well, anyway, comment down below, okay, because you've seen the little video of what I got to give away, okay? And I'm going to close the comments or draw the name on, let's do it on 8 days from now, okay? I know that's a long time to wait, but let's do it on January 1st of 2021. And the winner, I can probably pay for the shipping in the United States. I checked the shipping because of how big of a box it is. The shipping is for priority is like $60, okay? And I can ship it overseas, but here's the thing, you'll have to pay for the shipping for that. So I hope everybody enjoyed this little video, even though I didn't do it right. You know, but hey, we all live and learn, right? Yeah, you can't see that they're red lights, but anyway, so thank you all for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment down below and mark your calendar. January 1st, I'm going to do the YouTube comment picker and pick a comment out of there. So, and I want to say thank you guys for being here with me for these last 2 years. Y'all are awesome, okay? And I hope to bring you more good videos in the next coming years. And I hope my channel gets bigger, but you know, hey, I'm just having fun with the people that do watch me, okay? So have a Merry Christmas, because this is Christmas Eve that I'm recording this, and I'm also going to put it up. And I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to check out this one up here. Don't forget to check out this one up here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to check out this subscribe button up here, okay? So, I love the resin right out of you guys. I have to say it. And thanks for being with me. And the only other thing I can say is, wait a minute, let me get this down here, is bye for now.